So I had determined where the first newsstand that displayed a newspaper called the Village Voice would be displayed the very first time. And I leafed through it very quickly, and I found a place for rent. It was 26 2nd Avenue. I didn't know what it was. It just said it was a storefront. Anyway, I made an appointment with Mr. Gardner to have a look at the place. So a few days later, I rode my bicycle on a very warm Manhattan morning up to 26 2nd Avenue, which is only about 3 or 4 blocks from my place, maybe a little less. And there I met, by prearrangement, Srila Prabhupada and a guy named Carl. And then lo and behold, the rental agent, Mr. Gardner, came along. He was wearing denim pants and, as I remember, a green short-sleeved shirt. It was a very warm morning. So we went inside the storefront and sat down on there was a little ledge on the inside of the store window, and we negotiated. The place was $125 a month. So Prabhupada gave the man his 3 books and said, I want you to become a subscriber to our society, like Mr. Michael here and Mr. Carl here. They're our subscribers. And it was the first time I had ever heard the word subscribers mentioned, but Prabhupada was distributing books. And so he said, if you become a subscriber, instead of charging us $125 or $120 per month, it'll only cost $100 a month. And he looked at the books and he said, well, thank you very much. And he said, I think I can do that. And so he agreed, and I saw Prabhupada distributing books. And then he said, and also I have vacant an apartment, a flat across the courtyard in the same building for only $80, 3-room apartment for $80 per month. Would you like to have that as well? And I looked at Carl and he looked at me, and we thought, $80, could we afford it? And we kind of mutually agreed that was what we were going to do, and so we made the deal to get both places, 26 2nd Avenue, the storefront, and the $80 apartment across the courtyard. And that was the deal, and that became the first temple. Hare Krishna.